Hi guys, in front of me is POCO C40, and let me show you how to activate the installation of apps from unknown sources. So at first reach Settings, then find and select Privacy Protection, and now go to other special permissions, this first option here. Now select Install Unknown Apps, and here you can manage this feature. So for example, if you wish to install something via Booking.com, for example, just tap on Allow from the source. Then confirm that you are aware of all the risks and that can happen. Smoothly mark it, wait a few more seconds, and then click on OK. And that's it. And obviously you can do it for any other app of yours. Smoothly pick the app, allow from this particular source, and then confirm your awareness of the risk. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.